Imagine holding a device that not only adapts to the pace of innovation but also redefines what's possible in the tech world. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a device that doesn't merely compete, it leads. At Technology Review, we've analyzed every detail of this groundbreaking device to uncover what makes it a true game changer in mobile technology. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is more than just a smartphone. It's a step forward into the future of technology. Its design, features, and capabilities go beyond expectations, providing a device that truly transforms the way we interact with tech. Let's dive into everything that makes the Galaxy Z Fold 7 a revolutionary masterpiece. A display that transcends brilliance. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 sets a new benchmark in visual excellence. Starting with its 6.5-inch cover display, it's engineered to impress. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth and fluid user experience, whether you're swiping through apps, scrolling social media, or watching high-definition content. Every touch feels intuitive and responsive, making it a joy to use. The cover display isn't just visually stunning, it's also robust. With Gorilla Glass Victus 2, your phone is protected from everyday wear, scratches, and drops. This ensures the Z Fold 7 remains pristine for years, looking as sleek as the day you unbox it. Unfolding the device reveals its true magic, a magnificent 8-inch foldable display. This larger screen is a game-changer, providing an immersive experience for productivity, entertainment, and multitasking. The seamless transition from the cover to the foldable display creates a fluid, uninterrupted experience that enhances everything from gaming to video streaming. Performance built for the future. Underneath the sleek design lies a powerhouse. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a next-generation chipset designed to handle even the most demanding tasks. Paired with an incredible 16 gigabytes of RAM, this device ensures that lag is a thing of the past. Whether you're editing 4K videos, running multiple resource-heavy apps, or gaming at ultra-high settings, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 delivers flawless performance. Its up to 1 terabyte of internal storage provides ample space for your apps, media, and files, so you never have to compromise or constantly manage storage. A new era of smartphone photography. Samsung has redefined smartphone photography with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It features a triple rear camera system that's designed to capture stunning photos in any scenario. Each lens is optimized for clarity, vivid color reproduction, and intricate detail, whether you're taking wide-angle shots, close-ups, or stunning landscapes. One of the standout features is the inclusion of dual under-display cameras. These hidden cameras maintain the sleek design while delivering top-notch performance. From professional-grade photos to seamless video calls, the Z Fold 7 is a photographer's dream. Battery life that keeps up with your lifestyle. A powerhouse like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 needs a battery to match. That's why Samsung equipped it with a robust 4,500 mAh battery that ensures all-day performance. Whether you're working, gaming, or browsing, this battery won't let you down. When it's time to recharge, the fast charging capabilities minimize downtime. You can quickly top up your battery and get back to doing what you love. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 strikes a perfect balance between power and endurance, allowing you to stay connected without worrying about running out of juice. Versatility for every lifestyle. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't just a smartphone, it's a versatile tool designed for every lifestyle. For professionals, the foldable screen offers a larger workspace, making it ideal for productivity on the go. Whether you're reviewing documents, running multiple apps side by side, or joining video conferences, the Z Fold 7 streamlines your workflow. Its seamless multitasking capabilities make it an indispensable device for professionals who demand efficiency. For creatives, the expansive display and powerful performance are a dream for content creators. Whether you're sketching designs, editing photos, or creating videos, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 provides the tools to bring your vision to life. The vibrant screen acts as a digital canvas, empowering your creativity. For everyone else, from immersive gaming to binge-watching your favorite shows, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 offers endless possibilities. It's built to adapt to your needs, enhancing every aspect of your digital life. Innovation at its core. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 doesn't just follow trends, it sets them. Every detail of this device reflects Samsung's commitment to innovation. From its cutting-edge design to its unparalleled performance, the Z Fold 7 challenges the norms of smartphone technology. It's more than just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future. With the Galaxy Z Fold 7, you're not just staying connected, you're staying ahead. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is more than just a smartphone, it's a technological revolution. It transforms the way we interact with devices, offering a perfect blend of design, performance, and versatility. Whether you're a professional, a creative, or someone who loves staying connected, this device exceeds expectations. At Technology Review, we believe the Z Fold 7 isn't just about keeping up with the future, it's about shaping it. If you're ready to embrace the next era of mobile technology, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the perfect device for you.